Hello friends, welcome to Coding Solution, and today I'll be creating another decision and loop program, and this is our 12th program of the series. And in this I will be creating a C program to find the greatest common divisor of two integers. So basically what is the GCD or the SCF? Basically it is a largest positive non-zero integer that divides a number without remainder. Okay, so without wasting further time, just to start off, this is our decision loop project in which we are creating the files as usual. Just add a new empty file, and you want to add this file has to be saved first. Program 12.c, debug and release version of this C program to find the greatest common divisor bracket GCD. Many of you might be knowing this as the SCF. So now let me explain. The author for this program would be Pawan Singh, and the another thing is, what is the GCD? Basically the GCD is the largest positive integer that divides two integer without giving any remainder. Okay, so basically there are many ways in C programming to find the GCD or the SCF of two integers. I will be explaining the one, and I request you to please provide us how the other ways are required. In case those are required by you, kindly just post a comment, and I will be happy making those another ways as well. Okay, so I will be starting it off as hash include stdio dot h int main. Okay, now take the int num1 and number2. Num1 and num2 are basically the numbers, and I is a counter that will be repeatedly checking it for the division. Okay, and the SCF is also an integer, which is the highest common factor. So now just push a message to the user, enter two integers, scanf %d %d. Oh, it is showing us some warning. Okay, percentile, and num1 comma and num2. Okay, that's it. So with the help of the printf and the scanf function, we have taken the integer from the user. So now just make a loop that will be running I equals to 1, then I less than or equal to num1, or now see, earlier what we used to do, we used to end this condition and place the third condition here. Okay, so now there is the difference. What I'm doing, either the value of I should be less than number1, or the value of I should be less than, or the value of I should be less than num2. Okay, and then terminate the condition. We can also write it like this only, and then it will be plus plus I. Just place a for. Now use the if condition. If num1 modulus percent I double equals 0, that means the number 1 is specifically divided by 1, then it is true. Now Also we have to check for both the numbers. Num2 modulus I double equals 0. Then what is this we are doing? This is checking whether I is a factor of both numbers. Okay, we are just checking it here. If it is true, that is the number, you see, first of all, for the value of 1 it will be coming out as true. Okay, but here we are counting it as highest number. I would be incremented to 2, and then we will be checking it. SCF will be equals to I. Now the for loop should close here, and in this printf, now SCF of percentile d, SCF of number 1 and percentile d number 2 is percentile d. This is the way of making a printf statement. Now the first percentile d would be num1 comma, the second percentile would be num2, and the third percentile would be SCF. Okay, so this was this finalized return 0. So basically what is happening here in this program, two integers are taken from the user, num1 and num2, and stored in a variable. Okay, and then the I is initialized to 1. The I, basically the value of I has been initialized to 1, and for a loop is executed until I becomes equal to smallest of the two number. Okay, in each looping iteration, basically, let me tell you, in each looping iteration it is checked whether the both numbers are divisible or not. If I is a factor of both number, it is stored in SCF. When for loop is completed, the SCF of those two number will be stored in the I. Okay, now the printf of the number is this. So now let me start off, let me build this project and run it. What am I getting this? Why am I okay? Percentile d and comma num1 and num2. Okay, scanf. There is, okay, sorry, I have not terminated it properly. So see, enter two integers. First of all, let me add 5, and second I need to add 8. The SCF of 5 and 8 is 1, because it is only the one which divides the both 5 and 8 as well. Now let me run it again. Now let me enter it as 22 and then 86. The SCF of 22 and 86 is 2. Why it is so? For the value of 1, both the numbers are divisible, and for the value of 2, this is also divisible, this is also divisible, but when it comes to 3, nothing is divisible here. Although it might be divisible here, but nothing will be divisible here. So the maximum value, for the maximum value of I for which both the numbers are divisible, is 2. Hence the number, the SCF of this and this is 2. So basically the program concept, I hope you might have all understood, and there are many other ways as well. In case you find anyone or you find any confusion, kindly post it in the comment and I will be sure to help you in that. So that was all for the day, and thank you. Bye bye, have a nice day. Yeah.